is ABC 15 News.
Potentially millions of GE over-the-range microwaves are the focus of a Consumer Product Safety Commission investigation and a newly filed class action lawsuit. Tonight, ABC 15 investigator Joe Ducey is looking out for the safety of you and your family.
What is most puzzling to me is how this could happen.
When Ann Mao came home,
I entered the house and looked down the hallway and saw black billowing smoke coming out of my kitchen.
The origin of the fire was in a microwave in the area of the control panel, and it was apparently caused by some kind of an electrical or mechanical defect.
A microwave, Ann says, was not in use, and she's not alone.
What caused this fire? I mean, nothing was on. We didn't cook all day that morning. I mean, we weren't cooking the night before.
The official fire report for the Nickel family, cause undetermined. A common link between these fires. Both homeowners had GE over-the-range microwaves. Now, GE's facing a class action lawsuit over the units. Attorney Hassan Zaveri is handling the case.
Dangerous defects that cause the microwaves to, without any user interface, just catch on fire.
I was just making microwave popcorn.
Mesa resident Robert Berman's considering whether to join the class action suit. He had a slightly different experience with his GE microwave.
It suddenly burst into flames. The sidewall had a large flame shoot out from it, and I just instinctively reached out and shut it off.
Fortunately for Berman, he caught it in time. GE replaced the unit for free, but still charged him $50 for shipping.
And it's probably a rare occurrence, but it still is a pause for thought.
So, with about 12 million of these GE over-the-range microwaves in homes around the country, how do you know if yours has the problem? You don't. The attorney filing the lawsuit says he's still gathering model numbers, and the Consumer Product Safety Commission says they're looking into it but can't comment. GE has not been served with the suit yet, and the company standing behind its product, saying in a statement, GE microwaves have an admirable safety record. In 2008, we had no claims of house or kitchen fires related to our over-the-range microwaves, and only 13 reported incidents of smoke damage or scorching of adjacent cabinets. All of our microwaves comply with Underwriter Laboratories safety standards and are built to GE's additional safety specifications. That's little comfort to Ann Mao.
It could have been our whole house.
While there's been no recall, the CPSC says they want to know if you have any similar complaints. To file a complaint, go to abc15.com to the Consumer Alerts tab at the top of the page, and I'll keep an eye on it as well. I'm investigator Joe Ducey, ABC 15 News.